Prime Minister Narendra Modi today led the first break of Grand Ram Temple in Ayodhya at 12:44 p.m. as per the Muhurat for Bhumi Pujan. He was seen performing the puja at Sri Ram Janmabhoomi along with UP Governor Anandiben Patel and RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat. After the ceremony, Prime Minister Modi in his address said that, like August 15, today's day holds a similar significance for crores of people who devoted their lives for the cause of Ram Temple. As per media reports, the mandir will mark a decisive change in the economy of Ayodhya. He termed August 5th a golden day and added that Ram Janmabhoomi stands liberated today. India has recorded 52,509 fresh coronavirus cases in last 24 hours, taking the tally in the country over 19 lakh mark. With 857 deaths recorded in the last 24 hours, the death toll in India neared 40,000 mark. According to the fresh update from Union Health Ministry, the active cases in India now stood at 5,86,244. A total of 12,82,215 people have so far recovered from the new coronavirus. 64 people have tested positive for COVID-19 in Manipuri during the past 24 hours, taking the total tally to 3,018. The new cases, including 34 personnel of Central Armed Police Forces (CAPF), were detected at diagnostic centers in Imphal and Jiribam. As per the COVID-19 Command Control Room update, the fresh cases hail from Imphal West, Thoubal, Kaching, Tamenglong, and Imphal East. As per the COVID-19 Command Control Room update, the fresh cases hail from Imphal West, Thoubal, Kaching, Chandel, Tamenglong, and Imphal East District. The number of active cases now stands at 1,197 in the state, while the number of recoveries is 1,814 as of this afternoon. A huge blast in port warehouses near central Beirut storing highly explosive material killed 100 people, injured nearly 4,000 and sent shockwaves that shattered windows, smashed masonry, and shook the ground across the Lebanese capital. Officials said they expected the death toll to rise further after yesterday's blast as emergency workers dug through rubble to rescue people and remove the dead. It is the most powerful explosion in years to hit Beirut, which is nearly reeling from an economic crisis and a surge in coronavirus infections, as per media reports. Student unions of DM College of Arts, Science, Commerce and GP College Imphal have said that the authority of Dhanamandjuri University charged ₹100 as registration fee from each student applying for various undergraduate courses at the university for 2020-21 session. The union said taking such charge from students was not reasonable. Social worker Sanasam Prem Chandra Maitei of Salon Konjil, Part 2 under Kumbi constituency today distributed fertilizers free of cost to the farmers of Salan Konjil Part 2 for the third time today. Farmers of 4 localities received the fertilizers. LAMJAO Part 1 Development Association today planted around 100 saplings of BAKULA tree on LAMJAO-HIYAN Road in Thoubal district. Manit co-chairman and MLA of Hyanglam constituency, Dr. Y. Radheshyam Singh, Brand Ambassador Green Manipur Mission, E. Valentina Devi, Range Forest Officer Kaching, and Munal Meitei and others attended the tree plantation program. Cyclist ROHAN PHILEM from Manipur has been selected as the brand ambassador of Bright Organic Lotus Tea. Managing Director of Bright Enterprises, Shushma Laimapokpam handed over the Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) to ROHAN PHILEM at the Bright Enterprises office located at Chingamathak MC Road today. Tentha Youth Committee (TYC) has accused the state government of neglecting 3 persons from Tentha who have been contracted COVID-19 after they were treated by a COVID-19 positive doctor of Thawal District Hospital. TYC Secretary Naurem Manichao said that the 3 people are currently undergoing treatment at District Hospital COVID Care Center. Condemning the Assam government alleged negligence towards Meitei community in Assam for failing to recognize Manipuri language as one of the official languages of the state, the All Assam Manipuri Students Union AAMSU Hojai District Committee has launched an awareness campaign cum poster campaign in various parts of Assam.